Hi, I'm Dr. Stéphane Berg, and I'm working with Augma for years. Augma has always been a super dynamic company, and today it's making another move by offering something truly new to the fantastic world of dental surgery and bone augmentation. Augma will be your ally all along the treatment, from the infection to the very end of the reconstruction. So, during my lecture, I hope I will share with you my enthusiasm using this product daily with simplified protocol. If you are a beginner in Augma, join us in Portugal to discover its multiple abilities. If you are familiar with Augma, join us in Portugal to improve your skill. If you are expert with Augma, join us in Portugal to share your experience. I know we'll meet all together for a fantastic moment of friendship and scientific sharing at the 3rd Augma Symposium in Portugal. Let's see you there.